Sige, basahin ko ha. For it is by grace that you have been saved through faith, and it's not from yourself. It is the gift of God, not by works, hindi dahil sa ginagawa natin. Not by works, so that no one can boast. So, bago po tayo makarating na makasama natin yung Panginoon, dapat makareceive muna tayo ng salvation. Pero yung salvation na sinasabi dito, hindi yung dahil sa gawa natin eh. Ito yung mas malalim na intindi about salvation na, ganito ako, nagsisimba ako every Sunday, sumasayaw ako every Sunday, naglilinis ako ng church every Sunday, nag-a-attend ako ng Bible study, then yun yung good works para sa atin eh. Pero hindi daw tayo na-save doon. Dahil ang salvation daw, for it is by grace,